Hello students. Today we are going to learn how to build an atom in this activity. Here I have shown you an activity table where we can build our own atom for all the elements present in this periodic table. Okay. So you can see the net charge here, symbols over here, its mass number, everything will be visible to you, even the ion and stable, unstable conditions. Let's begin with hydrogen. So for hydrogen, I am placing one proton. So this shows this element is an hydrogen. It is stable, but it is an ion. But our aim is to build an atom. So build an atom, number of protons should be equal to number of electrons. Then only it can be an atom. So let's equate it by placing an electron. Where should we place an electron? First, it fills the inner shell. Next, only we have to fill the second shell. Now it has become a neutral atom. You can see here, you can see the net charge, you can see the mass number also. So by adding neutrons to it, look at the mass number. What is mass number? Number of protons plus number of neutrons gives you the mass number. So what is the mass number of hydrogen here? 2. Okay. Next, adding one more proton. Adding one more proton. It has become an ion. But the element is helium. So it is an ion. To make it an atom, what we have to do? We have to add electrons. Why? Number of protons should be equal to number of electrons. Then only we call it as an atom. So we can place the second electron in the first shell. Now it is a neutral atom, right? So we are talking about helium. You can see the net charge here. We know the mass number is 4, but here it is showing 3. So not yet balanced. What we have to do? We have to add number of neutrons. Now now its mass number is 4. Likewise, we can create any atom from this periodic table. Let's try for beryllium. Adding one more, adding one more. It's lithium. Adding one more. It's beryllium. Is it stable? No, it's not stable. Because see, look at here. Here there are 4 protons, there are only 2 neutrons, and there are only 2 electrons. So we need to make it stable by adding few more electrons. So how many electrons we have to add now to make it an atom? Yes, we have to add 2 more electrons. Can I add it to the first shell? No, because it can accommodate only 2 shells. Sorry, 2 electrons. Now I have to add it in the second shell. So let me add one more. So what happens after adding? It has become a neutral atom. But what about the stability? The stability is still unstable. So what we have to do to make it a stable beryllium? We have to add number of neutrons. Yes. Now look at here. Protons 4, neutrons 5. So 4 plus 5 gives you 9, which is said to be as a mass number. And the number of electrons is 4. Outermost electrons are 2. See, beryllium is present in the second group. So by this number of outermost electrons, we can find the number of group in which the element has been present. So let's try for boron. So for that, let's add one more proton. Now it has become an ion. So to make it an atom, we have to add one more electron. This electron also added to the outermost shell. Now it is a neutral atom, which is said to be a boron, and it is stable too. See, look at here. Protons is equal to neutrons is equal to electrons. So in boron, we can see all the subatomic particles are in equal in number. Let us have a look on the mass number. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. What is it? 10. Neutral charge is a neutral charge. So boron, check the outermost electrons. How many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3. So boron is present in the 13th group. Okay. So like this, we can create as much as atom from this periodic table.